with bok choy. Sibuyas, may sibuyas na yan, mainit na tubig. Ayan ang chicken ko, hinimay ko na. At saka onion leaves or chives. And then, yan ang pichay. And we're gonna have a hamburger today. Yan po. Yan, malapit nang kumulo. Yan lang po ang vlog ko ngayon. So, please share, subscribe, comment. Hi, Rapa. Rapa, you're in the vlog too. Uy, uy, did you eat? Rafa is waiting for food now. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. And chicken soup with bok choy. I put onion already. And I'm gonna put ginger.
Hamburger patties and Hawaiian pizza and the cheese pizza.
Ginger. Han, I'm vlogging. Put already the ginger and onion. Now I'm gonna put the bok choy. I'm gonna put last the chicken and the
They didn't have the large tub of butter, so I just got a smaller one.
there we go. Now I'm doing all the vegetable to put it in the hot water.
Fridge?
Chicken soup. Make it boiled first. Cook the vegetable. And then all the chicken and chives. And then all the salt. And then black pepper. I put already magic syrup. Ay. They look good. Chicken soup with bok choy. Yan, pakuluan lang natin ng kunti. Saka luto. Siko. Ayan, mukhang luto na. Tikman niya natin kung masarap. Ang sarap. Kunting asin pa. Hindi ko na po ito ginisa. Hindi nyo nakita yung ginigisa ko kasi hindi ako makakain ng mamantika. Pero lutong bahay sa bukid. Parang ganun. O, sige. Sige po. Pagpapaalam na po kami. Please subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. Tapos na po ang luto ng chicken soup with the bok choy on it and hamburger and corn for dinner. And she has one of those over there. She has a wonton soup.